Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you the most detailed, honest reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're checking out the JIGOO J200 Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, a product that's promised to change the way you clean your mattress, offering deep cleaning, allergen removal, and a host of other features designed to improve your sleep environment. Let's break it down and see what makes this vacuum stand out. The JIGOO J200 Mattress Vacuum Cleaner isn't just another standard vacuum. This one's built specifically for cleaning your mattress, couches, pillows, and other fabric surfaces. It's powered by a 500-watt motor that delivers an impressive 13 kPa of suction, which helps it lift even the deepest dust and allergens from your fabrics. Combine that with more than 12,000 high-frequency vibrations per minute, and you've got a vacuum that's capable of shaking up the internal dust hidden within your mattress, bringing it to the surface where it can be sucked away. If you've ever tried vacuuming your bed, you know how difficult it can be to remove that deeply embedded dirt and allergens. This vacuum's Radial Root Cyclone technology increases suction power while also helping to separate and remove the visible dust, as well as those invisible allergens. But suction alone isn't enough to guarantee thorough cleaning. The JIGOO J200 incorporates UV light technology at a frequency of 253.7 nanometers, designed to break down allergens and bacteria. When it comes to tackling those microscopic particles, this UV light is essential, as it neutralizes harmful substances on the surface of your mattress and other fabric items. It also features a steamless heating blow function, which maintains a constant temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that your mattress stays not just clean, but dry as well, perfect for those humid or rainy seasons when fabrics tend to trap moisture and bacteria. Speaking of filtration, the JIGOO J200 comes with a high-efficiency HEPA filter, which captures 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. This filtration system ensures that no dust, dirt, or allergens escape, delivering clean, purified air while you work. Thanks to its dual cup structure and patented dual cyclone filtration technology, the JIGOO J200 ensures that everything from pet hair to dust is captured without leaks, keeping your air quality fresh and free from pollutants. As for the smart features, the JIGOO J200 takes cleaning to the next level with its continuous allergen detection. When allergens are present, the indicator light turns red. Once the area is thoroughly cleaned, the indicator turns green. This intelligent feature lets you know exactly when your bed, mattress, or couch is completely allergen-free. When it comes to usability, the JIGOO J200 doesn't disappoint. It's corded, with a generous 16-foot power cord that makes it easier to clean larger areas without constantly having to unplug and replug the vacuum. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during prolonged use, so you won't feel fatigued after a few minutes of cleaning. Its 20.8 centimeters wide suction port lets you vacuum larger surfaces quickly, cutting down on your cleaning time and making it ideal for mattresses, sofas, bedding, and other flat fabric surfaces. Now let's talk about how the JIGOO J200 performs in real-world cleaning scenarios. When testing it on fine dust and crumbs on hard floors, the vacuum's strong suction and high-frequency vibrations worked wonders, pulling up even the smallest particles. On mattresses, it was able to lift embedded dust and allergens, leaving the surface visibly cleaner. The UV light also helped kill bacteria, which gave peace of mind, knowing the mattress wasn't just visually clean, but sanitized as well. The attachments made quick work of cleaning areas like stairs, couches, and car interiors, proving versatile enough for various types of cleaning tasks. On the flip side, it's not all perfect. While the vacuum is relatively lightweight and easy to maneuver, the power cord could potentially limit its reach in larger rooms. Additionally, while the UV light is a great feature, it's important to note that it only targets the surface area and may not penetrate deep into fabrics like the suction does. The steamless heating function also works well to keep your fabrics dry, but it does require the vacuum to run at optimal temperature, which could take a little longer than expected for larger items like duvets or pillows. In terms of build quality, the JIGOO J200 feels solid, with premium plastics that don't feel flimsy. The joints, hinges, and overall design seem durable enough to withstand frequent use. The dust bin is easy to empty, and the HEPA filter is simple to clean or replace when needed. However, there's always the potential for wear and tear with any vacuum, especially if it's subjected to heavy-duty use. As far as value for money goes, the JIGOO J200 Mattress vacuum cleaner sits comfortably in the mid to high price range for mattress vacuums. Its performance across different surfaces, its UV sanitizing capabilities, and the HEPA filtration make it an appealing choice for those who are particularly concerned with allergens or who live in areas with higher humidity. While there are other vacuums on the market that focus solely on suction or UV cleaning, the JIGOO J200 offers a comprehensive 5-in-1 approach that combines all of these features into one unit. That said, it's priced higher than some basic vacuums, so whether it's worth the investment depends on your specific needs, especially if you're sensitive to allergens or want to maintain a cleaner, more sanitary mattress. In comparison, vacuums like the Black & Decker BDH2000PL Dustbuster or the Dyson V11 Torque Drive offer excellent suction power and efficiency for general household cleaning, but lack the specialized features like UV sanitizing and allergen detection found in the JIGOO J200. If you're looking for a more affordable option with just as much power, you might consider one of those. But if mattress and fabric sanitization are key priorities for you, the JIGOO J200 offers a more specialized solution. When it comes to long-term maintenance, the JIGOO J200 is relatively easy to maintain. The HEPA filter should be cleaned regularly, and the brush roll might require occasional maintenance, especially if you have pets. The overall durability of the vacuum feels robust, and there's no indication that it will suffer from performance issues over time. But as with all products, regular maintenance is key. The JIGOO J200 offers a balanced mix of performance and smart features, making it ideal for homes with allergies or pets. It's particularly well suited for mattress cleaning, but it can also tackle other fabric surfaces with ease. While it may not be the best fit for those looking for a budget-friendly vacuum or a model that works well for deep carpet cleaning, its value lies in its ability to sanitize and deep clean surfaces where allergens tend to hide. If you're looking for a vacuum that offers a specialized, allergen-free clean with the bonus of UV and high-frequency technology, the JIGOO J200 is worth considering. If you've already had experience with it, or if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new review. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time. Stay clean and stay allergen-free with Reviews Inside TV.